Welcome back to the channel. I'm Aaron, and I have some hardware here. Long story short, Adam, my friend, who we did a previous video with and helped him, build his new rig because his old stuff was old. Recently, he decided it would be cool, when it is cool, to upgrade to the Ryzen 9 3900X. And so he redid his entire system. He had some hardware left over, which is his, MSI board here from the last video, the B360 Gaming Plus, a nice new i7 8700K. So he graciously decided that it would be my birthday present. So he gave me the board and the chip and the RAM, 32 gigs of Viper DDR4. I think it's 2400. Might be faster, I'm not sure. But anyways, in this video, what we're going to do is officially, for the first time in probably 8 years, I'm going to upgrade all of my core components. We're going to go from the Z77 chipset and the i7 3770K DDR3 RAM running at 1800 megahertz, so modern. We're going to upgrade all of that to this board. Now, the reason it's on this, what was the Underdesk PC was because, like in my previous video that I had done, I killed this board with a Dell power switch. I found the trace on the board where it fried, so this board is dead. I'm gonna go through the motherboard graveyard over here. Besides that, it's very outdated and probably never gonna use it again, so got it to post to the BIOS. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is just swap it out. We'll do a little quick montage of that, because why film all that? And then we'll do some comparisons of what the i7 paired with the 2080 does compared to this one. So maybe we'll do some rendering tests. Maybe we'll do, some gaming. Only some Cinebench, because gotta do that. So yeah, it's probably gonna be a long day doing all this stuff, but hopefully the video will be nice and compact. So let's get to it. So, what's going on with this new computer build thing? I'll put you on the spot.
I just fucking love to just spend millions and millions of dollars. I don't even like to play games.
This was probably like, what, $500,000?
Oh, and the crowning jewel of the whole build.
Oi! Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Dun-dun. Hell yeah. I haven't actually touched one of these.
Well.
The unfortunate thing about the 20 series is they don't match really anything. So you got your color scheme and everything. You'd need like an MSI card or something for this. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one.
It's RGB. Fuck yeah.
I blessed this CPU. Zero insertion force.
Yeah, as Linus always says.
And so basically it just squeezes it. But if you pull your cooler off or something, it could pull the chip right out.
God.
I did that with my old AMD when we were in the garage. I did that a couple times. Oh, nice.
These are actually hella sick, dude.
Oh yeah, dude, the box is bright. That would be interesting. Bob Saget and a banjo. That's all you need.
Do people actually do this? Heavy duty heat spreaders on them.
Sometimes the crunching sound is
I know, it scares me.
on a PCI Express.
Yeah, dude, I hate putting my GPU in. That was fucking... Damn it. These are fucking wonderful.
Do a funny face. I like now it matches.
Oh, yeah,
Monochrome and got a little bit of green.
Yeah, I'd love some fucking green fans.
So if these are RGB fans, you should be able to make them.
Well, the radiator ones aren't. The top three are, and then this back one's just red.
Kill it. Kill it with fire.
I'm thinking about it. Hell yeah.
Boom!
Oh shit, I got.
Oh.
Alright, now you ready?
Oh no!
Something.
I don't know how any of this is gonna turn out.
It's gonna actually be kind of funny if it's all cut together like that. Alright, now the moment of friggity.
This video is not brought to you by Truly Red Seltzer. God damn it! Hit the pump.
Yeah, I need some Melbourne. This is Adam's IQ.
Oh,
How much? Oh, sorry, it's backwards.
Small brain.
Damn it.
Oh.
Shout out to lttstore.com.
Yeah.
.com/net.org.
She never said goodbye.
Success.
cool.
To her family and
Very nice, very nice. Dun, 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 dun.
Fucking goddamn it, man. One little thing.
Here's the epic insides of the, Yeah? That's so? What were you saying? You're goofy. You're inside the old Shambler. Noctua, RTX, sound card, all the other Noctuas, and the Z77 board. So that's what we gotta get out. It's gonna be a challenge. Alright, so now everything's in the case, plugged in, except for two fans. I gotta do that myself. Let's get it hooked back up and see what we can do. Now, is everybody ready to laugh and point at a possible failed first boot? Let's see what happens. No fires yet. So far, so good. Now, the only thing I'd be really worried about is that changing the board and all that stuff, it may make my Windows key invalid, so I might have an unactivated version of Windows. That's easy to fix. Buy a key, other means. So there's all our new cores. We're running at 4.49, 4.45, and that's without adding any overclock. Right now we are only running 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is okay. As that restarts, I just gotta say again, thank you to Adam for giving me this board and this CPU and this RAM. It's literally been almost 10 years from my first E-machine. I had computers before this, but I never really did anything with them. And I knew what to do with them, but never any money to do graphics cards and all that stuff. But after all the upgrades I've been through in the last 10 years, stuck on Z77 for a really long time. And it took me from an i3 to an i5 to an i7. From here on out, I know I can upgrade this 8th gen to a 9th gen, so that might be my next step. Maybe another board, not sure. But let's see what kind of performance and stuff we can get, because that's the most important part. Alright, so first up, we're going to do some superposition. I have my old scores, so we'll see if we can beat it. I think it's mostly based on the GPU anyways, but we'll see if the new CPU can help. 4K optimized. See what happens. So as expected, we scored a 95.21 over my previous 92.18. So it went up a little bit. That's a pretty good improvement. Let's try some games and stuff, or the Fire Strike, I don't know. What are you doing? What are you doing over here? What are you doing over here? You playing with this? You playing with this shrimp? No. Navigating all the stuff. You're looking at. Okay, so the Fire Strike scores are in, and they scored a 21,795 over the 17,454. So much better score due to the CPU. Nice little bump there. And just because I want to be a epic troll, I think I'm gonna stick this Ryzen 9 badge on the case, just because it'll be funny. Alright, so here we have our Time Spy bench. Originally, we scored an 88.58. This time, we got the 10,288. Again, a nice little jump over the previous gen CPU. Helped a lot. The CPU test pretty good. It stayed just about at 60 frames a second. Imagine if I do a little bit of overclocking, we'll get a better score on that. Alright, we're going to fire up some Cinebench and see what we get. So right there, 3770K should get a 790. I've gotten high 800s before on mine with an overclock, so we'll see what this guy does. I don't have a direct comparison in this list. Maybe this guy would be the closest comparison, but we'll see about that. So that's already considerably faster than the 8 cores on the other guy. 6 cores, 12 threads. Dig it. Chomping. It ain't no thread ripper, but you know, hey. For me it is. Boom. Right there. 1419. That's a little bit of a jump compared to this 803. I accept. So it's raining, and there's a dumbass on a motorcycle driving around like a maniac. I think that could be a car though too, because they're idiots. But anyways, it's raining. I had a really long day yesterday. It was Thanksgiving, so I actually started testing all this stuff last night after Thanksgiving dinner. So there's all my results for right now. And yeah, I'll continue to do my own benchmarking of just playing games and seeing how good it is. So if you like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up, ring the bell for more content, because we're gonna keep going with this stuff into next year. You know, maybe if I have to get another board to get that together memory channels back online, you know, I'll do that. And then we're gonna put that other board in the Corsair case, so that'll be pretty cool. So see you next time.